Hello student, today I will teach you second stanza of the poem The Lebanon Top. The Lebanon Top, it is composed by Ted Hughes. In the first stanza, I told you that the top of the Lebanon tree is silent. Here it means that there is no activities on the top of Lebanon tree. The poet feels that when the goldfinch birds come and sit on the top of Lebanon tree, at this time the activities starts. When the poet in the first stanza, the poet says that there is no goldfinch bird. For this reason, there is no activities on the branches of Lebanon tree. In the second stanza, the poet says that till the lines of the second stanza are following. Till the goldfinch comes with a twitching chirp, a suddenness, a startment, and a branch end, then sleek as a lizard and alert and abrupt. She enters the thickness and a machine starts up chattering and a tremor of wings and tailings. The explanation of these lines are The explanation of these lines are: the goldfinch bird comes. When the goldfinch bird comes and sits on the branches of Lebanon tree. When the goldfinch bird comes and sits, second line, and sit on the branch of Lebanon tree. On the branch of Lebanon tree. Twitching here it means that sits with a jerk. Sits with a jerk. When the goldfinch bird comes and sits with a jerk on the branches of Lebanon tree. Chirp. Here it means that the chirping of the bird starts. The chirping of the bird starts. A sudden of startment. Here it means that suddenly the chirp starts. Once again, when the goldfinch bird comes, twitching and sit with a jerk on the branches of Lebanon tree. Suddenly, the chirp of the goldfinch bird start. In the third lines, the poet says that then sleek as a lizard and alert and abrupt. Here this means that the poet compares the goldfinch bird to a lizard. The poet says that the goldfinch bird come on the tree just like an alert lizard. Just like an alert lizard. The activities of lizard, suddenly it attacks to anything which he likes to feed. So the poet compares goldfinch bird to a lizard. The goldfinch bird comes on the top of the Lebanon tree just like a lizard. Just like a lizard. She enters the thickness. After that, she enters into the thickness of the leaves of Lebanon tree. and a machine starts up. And a machine starts up. Here this means that she starts chirping. She starts chirping. The activities start. The activities start in the branches of Lebanon tree. Of chirping and tremor of wings. Tremor of wings and tremor of wings. It starts flapping. It starts flapping its bird from one branch to another branch. In this way, the activities start in the top of the Lebanon tree when the goldfinch bird comes. It is the explanation of the second stanza. I hope you will understand it. In the next stanza, I will tell you more about this poem. That's all.